What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Jay, and today we're going to be taking a look at 4 of my most used tripods. Now, before we get started, if tech is something that you're into, please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get to it. All right, so a lot of you guys know that I'm into the tech reviews, tech unboxings, and things like that, but I'm also very heavy into mobile content creation, which is what you guys have also probably noticed on this channel as well, outside of just tech reviews and things like that. And these 4 tripods are the 4 that I currently use with my iPhones when I'm recording video, whether that's on the go or whether I'm in the house or whether I'm stationary or whatever the case. These are the 4. So without further ado, we're going to get rid of 3 of these and we're going to do them one by one. And I'll show you a few accessories that go with it. One of these tripods is my favorite by far, and I have covered it on the channel a long time ago, but we're going to revisit it just a little bit here in this video as well. So like I said, without further ado, let's get them out of the way and start with the Zekos first. All right, guys, so starting with the Zekos first, you can get this tripod right here on Amazon for about $7.99. Hopefully you can see that. This is the Zekos ZE-TR5A flexible tripod. It stands about 5 inches. And what I love about it is the fact that you can, bend the legs and kind of put them in different positions and things like that. But this is a very great little tripod for when you're just sitting it on your desk and you just want to kind of have your phone sitting in a stationary area. And, it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's very portable. You can put it in your pocket. You can be on the go with this thing, and it's never in the way. No matter where you put it at on your desk, it is never in the way. So I'm going to put a few things on it, show you guys what it looks like with your phone and stuff like that. And then we'll go on to the next tripod. So here's a few things that I use on this actual tripod. Now, in order to mount your phone on it, you're going to need a phone clip holder or something to that effect like this. And you'll just screw it in here into the bottom. And after you get it screwed in, you can throw your phone in just like this. And like I said, easily, you're good to go. Very easy, and you're good to go, just like that. And that's what it looks like as far as footprint goes and things like that. It's just a very, very small, very portable, it's not in your way type of tripod. You know what I mean? So what else we got? So just using that for the phone. We also can put this one on here. This is another type, in case you guys haven't seen one of these ones before, but I'm pretty sure you have. You can screw this one into the bottom as well. Put your phone in on that one. I even use this with my GoPro. So I put my GoPro case on here and I screw it into my GoPro. So if I want to get an extra shot with my GoPro or do a time lapse or something, whatever the case, I can just easily put that in as well. And a lot of these pieces that I'm putting on, you can actually use with all the other ones as well. So I probably won't bore you guys with that, but since this is the first one we're doing, I'm just going to show you now. Now, this is the actual camera grip one that I just got. I just did a review or unboxing on the channel. I'll come back and give a full review on it later, and you can just put your phone in just like that. And now you got your grip and you got a small tripod on it as well. So works very, very good, very versatile. And this one was the Zekos, if I'm saying that correctly, 5 inches, the Zekos. So let's move on to the next one really quick. All right, guys, so next up we have the Ulanzi MT08. This is a smartphone selfie stick type tripod. This one is going for $19 on Amazon right now. So you can go and pick that up on Amazon. I'll make sure I put a link in the description for all of these tripods as well. So taking a look at this one, it's just small, but what I like about it is you can unlock it and it has a, rotating ball head here. You can tighten it up. Very small, stays out of the way as well, just like the other one, but you can also get a little bit of an extension on it as well. So if you need just a little bit of height, this one is the one that will come in handy for you. So I'm doing this really quick because they're just tripods. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So I'll show you what the phone looks like on here. So we'll put that on just like that. And like I said, I'm always using my phone with these. So this is what it'll look like for you guys right here, just in case you guys want to try it out. So as far as my GoPro goes, I love to put my GoPro on this one as well. So we'll throw the GoPro on here. Let you guys check out how that's looking too. So you got the GoPro on here, and I like it because you can do it just like this if you want, walk around with it. And because it has that ball here, you can swivel it around. You can get like that selfie angle if you want. You can bend it, do whatever you want to do with it. So very versatile, very small, and it stays out of the way. Compact is the name of the game when it comes down to this one right here. So I really like this one. This is the one that I think you guys definitely need to add into your arsenal when it comes down to mobile content creation. Definitely got to try this one out. So the Ulanzi tripod. Let's move on to the next one. And moving on to our third tripod right here, we have the Large Octopus Flexible Tripod, and this one is running for about $10.90. So I'm pretty sure you guys seen these types before. It's just a typical GorillaPod, but for the most part, what I like about this one, and I'm pretty sure for those who probably have it like about it as well, is that these legs can bend and stay into place. So you can hang this on anything. You can wrap it around poles. You can do a lot of different things with it. You know, when I'm in the gym and I'm recording my workouts, I love to take this one with me because I can get different angles in the gym as well when I'm recording. So I actually love this tripod. This is a great one right here. I won't bore you guys with putting devices and things on it, but you guys kind of got the idea and the gist from the other two as far as the types of attachments you can put here on the top. But this is a great one. It's a little bulky. You will have to pack this one with a little bit of thought because it's not as compact as the other two. So just, you know, take that in consideration when you get one like this. But this one is one for the books. This one is one that you definitely must have in your creator kit. Let's move on to the next one. And last but not least, my favorite one of them all, the Blitzwolf remote control selfie stick tripod combo. You can find this one here on Amazon for about $25.99, and that is exactly how much I paid for it, and the price has not changed in such a long time. I have covered this one here on the channel. I'll probably put cards on the screen somewhere so you can go and check that out, but I have covered it and I may cover it again. But let's take a quick look at it. This one is my favorite one by far. It looks the best. It's very sturdy. It's very hefty, has a little bit of weight to it, and you could just take your phone and you can just take your phone and put it just like that. And now you have a selfie stick. But even with having a selfie stick, you can take your phone out. Now, even with having a selfie stick, now you also have a tripod. And another thing I love about this one as well is the actual Bluetooth remote control. This Bluetooth remote control has come in handy and has saved me on countless times while recording. So I highly suggest you guys take a look at this one. I have covered it on the channel, like I said before, but this one by far is my favorite one of them all. It is a tripod. You can just throw your phone in here just like that. You can go from having like a selfie stick to an actual full-fledged tripod with a remote control. You just can't beat that for the price. And I've had this for a long time. If you go back and take a look at the channel, you can see when I actually got this and did like a small unboxing and an overview of it. I have had this same one for that long, and it has still been holding up. This one goes everywhere with me. When I tell you everywhere, I mean everywhere. Every time I pack a bag and leave the house with any of my recording gear, this is the first thing that I put in there because it is so handy. One charge, and I think I've charged this thing up once in the time that I've had it. But for the most part, this one right here is by far my favorite tripod currently right now of all time, period. Hands down. All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. That was just a quick look at 4 of my favorite tripods. I highly suggest you guys go and take a look at the Blitzwolf one. It is a must buy. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified whenever I drop any videos on this channel. It's been your man, Jay. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.